61% of a single ear of corn is wasted when husked and shucked from the cob, unless we use it all. The opportunities for flavor are present, should we choose to pursue them. Our sweet corn ice cream method utilizes every part of the ear. The husk is steeped. The cobs are steeped. The kernels are steeped. This is all blended into a traditional ice cream base. We rely heavily on our partners at the Culinary Vegetable Institute to help tell our story. Cooking, juicing, dehydrating, blending, freezing, churning, casting, slicing, and serving. This dish highlights the versatility of a single ingredient. A corn cookie with burnt corn husk, a corn caramel from the juice of corn stalk, salted popcorn and corn flakes, and of course, sweet corn ice cream.